This is Jonas and the big toad.
No.
What do you think, Jonas?
How?
What kind of animal is this? What is this? A what?
Froggy.
A froggy, right. Want to give him a kiss? You gotta go back outside. Kiss him on the nose. Noses. Yeah, because where does he live? Boop, boop. Where's his house? It's out there, isn't it? Where did we find him last night? By the what? Barn. We found him in the barn, didn't we? And he was. What do you think he eats? Bugs. Here he comes. He's gonna come to you. You want to hold him? Put your hands out. Put your feet down. Put your hands out like this. Put your hand over him. Cover him up nice so he doesn't hop away. Gentle. You gotta hold him more. Squirks mouth. Oh! That's very good, Jonas. Try it again. Put your hand out. Oh. Hold. Hold him. Oh. Jonas is not sure what to think. Like a surprised look on his face. Ready? Wanna hold him? Are you ready? Well, and where's his tummy? And where's his foot? He has 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Toads do.
Okay, time to say goodbye to the frog.
You want to hold him one more time?
He has to go back home and take care of his babies.
Yeah, especially a guy this big. He probably has a lot of kids. We don't want any frog welfare. Frogs take care of their own. Here.
Say goodbye to the frog, Jonas.
Say bye, Froggy. We're going to put you back.
Bye, Froggy.
Bye,
You want to give him a
Frog.
kiss?
Give him one more kiss. Bye. Good boy.
How?